EcoVironmentology. Hello everyone, this is my channel EcoVironmentology. Hope you guys are doing well in your daily lives. Today is the World Environment Day 2021 and we should work together for the better environment through sustainable development goals. We should protect it, conserve it. World Environment Day. It is celebrated every year on 5th of June. And the purpose of celebrating this day every year is to raise awareness of the environment and to remind everyone that environment should not be taken as for granted. We should protect it, conserve it, and take care of it. Every year, this day is hosted by different countries, and the global host for the day this year is Pakistan, in partnership with the UN Environmental Program, with message by Special Assistant of PM of Pakistan. A theme is used every year on this day, and the theme that is going to be used this year on the World Environment Day 2021 for the next decade is Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. Ecosystem restoration. What is ecosystem restoration and what will happen? Ecosystem restoration, healthier ecosystem, and what will happen between 2021 to 2030. Ecosystem restoration is that recovery of ecosystem that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as the conservation of the ecosystem that are still intact. This will cause healthier ecosystem, and it includes more fertile soil, bigger yields of timber, fish, larger stores of greenhouse gas. Between 2021 to 2030, the restoration of the 350 million hectares of degraded terrestrial and ecosystem could generate $9 trillion in ecosystem services, and it could also remove 13 to 26 gigatons of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. Now, there are 8 types of ecosystem restoration that includes farmlands, forests, freshwater, grassland, savannas, and shrublands. This is included as one. The next 4 are urban areas, mountains, oceans and coasts, and the peatlands. Ecological restoration. It may take 2 to 10 years to 20 to 100 years. It depends upon the type of the ecosystem restoration. And we can take example for this. First is planning, a complete plan to recover forest. Second is the implementation of the plantation of the 100 trees. And third and the most important one is the management of these trees so that they grow as a forest, and then the forest through proper care and legislation. We have to manage it. Now the question is what we can do. We can also plant trees and take care of them and start using 3 R's: reducing, reusing, and recycling. We can also take part in it by following methods and legislations to restore, protect, and conserve the declared World Heritage Sites. Goodbye everyone. Stay safe and healthy. Take care of yourselves and others and share this.